Hey guys, morning. Hope you're having a good day. I want to pick up where Casey left off yesterday. You were multiplying and crossing out, and then you've got a number, and I want to talk about, what you got. So a proper fraction, you guys, that'd be like 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 3 over 7. A proper fraction is when the top number, the numerator, this number, is smaller than the denominator. We consider that a proper fraction. An improper fraction would be the opposite. That's when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So when the top number is bigger than the denominator, we consider that improper fraction. And we have to get it to a proper fraction, okay? So yesterday, you guys did 12 over 8 times 18 over 16. And you did some crossing out. So I think you took 4 out of both. Remember, Casey said when you cross, you do this and this. So I believe you took 4 out of 12, that would be 3. And you took 4 out of 16, that would be 4. And then you took 2 out of 8, which was 4, and then 9, 2 went into 9. So what you ended up getting was 26 over 16. Okay, so that's an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So a lot of times it's going to ask you to convert that into a mixed number. Okay. So how we do that, it's just a basic division problem, and we would divide the denominator, in this case, which is 16, into the top number, which is 27. So if we do 16 into 27, we know that's going to go 1 time, and then what's going to be left over is 11. And this 16 is the denominator. So the remainder is always put over the denominator. So in this case, you're going to have 1, and then you're going to have 11 16. And 1 11 16 is equal to 27 over 16. But we have to convert the improper fraction to a proper fraction. And this is proper again because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay? So whenever the top number is bigger, we just divide the bottom, the denominator, into the top number. Another one Casey used yesterday, I think we had 22 over 15 times 45 over 22. And when you're cross multiplying, I think you're going to get, he used 5. So 5 goes into 15 3 times, and it goes into 45 9 times. This is actually 42. And then I think we use 2, and we got 11. And 14. So what we're going to get is 99 over 42. So once again, it's an improper fraction because the top is bigger. So how we're going to solve this, we're going to divide the 42, the denominator, into the top number. So if you do 42 into 99, we're going to know it goes 2 times, and that's going to be 84, and there's going to be 15 left over. So how you remember, whatever's left over always goes over this number. So you're going to have 2 and 15 over 42. Okay. And the last one, I think he did. We have 33 over 7 times 14 over 21. So we're going to cancel. And cross cancel 7 and 14. So if you do 3, it goes in there 11 times. 3 goes into 7 21 times. 7 goes in there once, and 7 goes into 14. So what you get is 22 over 7. Improper fraction, because the top is bigger than the bottom. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide this number into that number. And whatever number is left over is going to go to the denominator. So we're going to put 7 into 22. We know that goes 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. And there's going to be 1 left over, and that goes to 7. So we're going to get 3 and 1 7. And remember, 22 over 7 is equal to that, but we're just changing the improper fraction to a proper fraction. Okay, so let's do a couple more here. We're not going to do multiplication. I'll just give you an improper fraction, and we can work out converting that to a proper fraction. So if we get 32 over 9, we're going to take this number and divide it into that number. So 9 into 32 is going to go 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. There's going to be 5 left over. Remember, whatever's left over always goes over the 9, the denominator. So we're going to have 3 and 5 9. So in this case, 32 over 9 is equal to 3 and 5 9. Those are both exactly the same, but a lot of times on a test, it's going to ask you to put it like into a proper fraction. You can certainly check. Sometimes 32 over 9 might be the answer, but if you don't see that, you're going to realize maybe the reason I don't see that because it's an improper fraction, because the top number is bigger than the numerator. Top number is bigger than the denominator. Okay, let's do one more. I got 67 over 8. Once again, it's an improper fraction because the top number, the 67, is bigger than the bottom number. So the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we're going to remedy this by dividing the 8 into the 67. It's going to go 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. And there's going to be 3 left over. And remember, whatever's left over always goes over the denominator. It's 3 eighths. So it's going to be 8 and 3 eighths. Okay. So let me get rid of these. Oops. So whenever you see the top number, which we call the numerator, so we use 12, is bigger than the denominator, the bottom number, we know that's an improper fraction. And in most cases, we're going to have to convert that into a mixed number. Okay. So in this case, we're just going to divide the 7 into the 12. In this case, it goes 1 time, 1 times 7, and there's going to be 5 left over. And the 5 will just go over the top of that. So it'll be 1 and 5, 7. And 12 sevens is equal to 1 and 5 sevens. Okay. So tomorrow, what I think Casey will do, he'll do the opposite. He'll show you how to convert this mixed number back into an improper fraction. Because sometimes you'll get, for example, you might get 1 and 5 sevenths times 2 and 3 eighths. And in order to multiply that, we're going to have to do the reverse function. We're going to have to take the mixed number and convert that into an improper fraction. Okay. Casey will cover that tomorrow. I will practice up today of converting improper fractions into proper fractions. And just remember, whenever you see the top number, numerator, in this case, the 12, is bigger than the denominator, the bottom number, in this case, which is 7. It's an improper fraction. And in most cases, for an answer, we're going to have to convert that into a proper fraction. All right, you guys, I'm going to start science in about 15 minutes. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.